Alright guys, ForceLMX here. I'm about to edit a quick video, or I'm actually uploading this one right here. I just wanted to take some time and say thank you to everybody on the channel. This has been a big milestone of mine, and it's a small one, but we just hit 90 subscribers a couple weeks ago, but I haven't had a lot of time. There's been some stuff going on. I'm building the Yz, and if you look here, this video has just gone insane. It is probably the most viewed video. Shout out to everyone who commented. It is just absolutely astonishing to me how this has come to happen. I just wanted to put some time out saying thank you. Also, there's some news coming out. This video, I have a voiceover, and I would like you guys to listen, as it explains some stuff about what happened when I contacted the company Custom Craft. Here you go. This place right here. I do not recommend them at all whatsoever. I'm sorry if you don't agree with me, but there was some stuff that went down that I do not agree with, and that is why, make sure it's recording, that is why I did not choose them. I am going with LA Sleeve. Here's the website. They are supporting my build absolutely big time. They are the best in the game. I just wanted to, this is probably going to be titled, How Great is LA Sleeve? You can see they got a video here about all that. They build bikes, they build insane bikes, they do everything. You go here, you go, let's say, Off-Road MX. They literally have everything. So what they're doing is, they're doing my crank, gaskets, piston, and they're doing my cylinder sleeve, and they're machining out my head. Yeah guys, I recommend them 100%. I will stick with them. If my 450 needs it, I will be going through them 100% for their knowledge. So I met with the man, or called, and was fortunate enough to meet with the man named Dave over on Tech Service. He has, I don't know how to explain it, his knowledge of what they do is incredible. He pretty much talked to him and gave him some stuff on what Custom Craft was doing, and he said that is not right, and he pretty much started giving me facts about what I need to do to my bike. So he's like, why would you do 300? And I said, I'm doing this, this, and this, YouTube build, yada yada yada, and he pretty much gave me the most factual information about a dirt bike I've ever received. Pretty much said why. And I was like, well, I'm just riding some trails. And he's like, you racing? I said, no. I might though. If I find like a little easy enduro race, I might do it in the future. But he's like, then you don't need it. And long story short, they are incredibly knowledgeable. I suggest, if you have any questions, concerns, or anything about if you're getting your sleeve done, they even do automotive, guys. Like, they'll do your car. They'll do it. They'll do anything. Like, it's crazy. They're the best in the business. They've been going for, I think, 30 years, maybe? Let's see. 1945, so no, more than 30. Like, close to like 80 years, I think. 75, 80. But yeah, guys, they are the best in the business. And I don't know what I would do without them giving me the knowledge and facts they gave me, because without them, I don't think I would have built the Yz in time. I think it would have been at least 2 years, because the way Custom Craft was putting me, they were pretty much saying it was going to cost me over $1,100. And yeah, so I said screw that. I called these guys up. I called some local shops, see if they did anything. No. Called up, I don't know what, and then I went, no, LA Sleeve, I've heard of them. Best in the game, I figured. I was like, they know what they're doing. Called them up, and this is their website. Check them out at lasleeve.com. They absolutely are insane. They're hooking the build up. They're rebuilding my crank. balancing, weighting, connecting rod, all the stuff. They have a package here. Let me look. So this is the package. Or, whoops, I accidentally did that. Crank rebuild. So they could do it for you. Pretty much do all this. They do your crank, connecting rod, bearings. They balance it, shape it down, all that. They're hooking me up with some gaskets, doing my piston, shaping down my rings. They're doing the sleeve for my cylinder, in which they said it is good. And another thing is, my head is good, so I didn't have to spend any money on getting my head, a new head from eBay. They're machining it out, resurfacing it, all that stuff. But yeah, let me look back. How much time is this? Oh, 5 minutes. But I literally just have to put it out. Thank you guys so much for the support. I am going to be putting out some crazy content soon. A new writing video is coming in. Here, I'll show you guys. I just have files on top of files right now. I just did the Yz250 build. Yeah, it's going to be insane. Where is it? Yep, this is pretty much all the footage I have right now. And then that's not even the GoPro footage from the other day when I started writing. So yeah, I have like probably a couple videos, so I'm gonna have to be pushing out probably 2 a week for the next couple of weeks, because I just have too much footage and I've been being a little bit lazy. But yeah, guys, shout out to the companies. Here they are, and the links will be in the description. We got Split Designs. We got, oh, I forgot to put this in the video. We have Bolt. Bolt motorcycle hardware. Here's them. Let's see here. These guys. They're hooking it up, guys. Everyone, I honestly didn't think it would happen. I don't know how it's possible to get support when you're a small channel, but I don't know. I'm incredibly thankful for everybody. But yeah, we got them. They're hooking it up with some hardware. We got some other stuff. I have to look through all my emails. I have just emails on top of emails. Shout out to IMS. I got the 3-gallon tank. It is at FedEx right now. Should be here in the next, I don't even know. It's stuck at FedEx. It's honestly annoying. This coronavirus is just absolutely ridiculous. Postponing like everything, so it's pretty ridiculous. I'm pretty upset, but oh well. It's not like I have an engine anyways. Yeah, guys, that's it. It's probably going to be it's going to be short. I just had to put it out there. Thank you to all the support, all the build sponsors, all that stuff. I will be linking all of them in the description. I actually have to get all of them because I don't remember, and I haven't ordered a ton of stuff yet. So coming up this month, I'm going to probably be ordering up all my bolts. I'm going to order up my clutch kit. I'm going to start building up my bottom end. So I think, let's see what today is. I think I talked to them a couple days ago, so let's see. We are honestly probably going to be, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like maybe late, let's see, late August, no, not late August, late September to October is when my the bike top end will be done. They estimated 4 to 5 weeks depending on shipping. And that's only for the connecting rod. The cylinder and head is probably going to be done like in a week. Yeah, guys, I'm probably going to make another one for this just in case this one's bad. But thanks for watching. Appreciate everything you guys have been doing. Peace out.